In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set alerts on Smartsheet. Whether you're managing a team project or organizing personal tasks, using alerts can keep everyone updated and aligned. So let's dive into the process and ensure you can notify the right people at the right time. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your Smartsheet workspace or your home page. This is your starting point where you'll have all the projects you're currently working on laid out for easy access. From there, you need to identify the specific sheet where you wish to set your alert. Opening the correct sheet is crucial, as it allows us to establish this automation in the appropriate context. Once you're inside your chosen sheet, direct your attention to the top of your screen. Here, you'll notice a menu where you'll find the automation option. Go ahead and click on it to begin setting up your alert system. It's a small step, but it opens up a world of possibilities for keeping your team informed with minimal effort. Now, upon selecting Automation, you'll be greeted with a variety of options. For our purposes today, you'll want to choose the Create from Scratch option. This approach allows you to fully customize the alert to suit your unique needs without any preset limitations, giving you complete control over the notifications. With your blank canvas ready, it's time to decide on a trigger for the alert. Think carefully about when exactly you want this alert to go off. A commonly chosen trigger is when rows within the sheet are added, but make sure you select what best fits your workflow. This step is vital as it sets the precedent for when your alert will fire, ensuring it reflects the specific conditions of your work process. If you're looking to refine your alert further, consider adding conditions. While this step is optional, it can be incredibly powerful. Using filters to narrow down the circumstances under which your alert is triggered can be helpful. For instance, you might only want the alert to activate when a specific condition, like the status field being marked as high priority, is met. This additional level of control helps ensure alerts are relevant and prevents unnecessary notifications. Next, it's time to decide what the alert will actually do. In most cases, you'll want to select Alert Someone as the action. This step will notify the chosen individuals whenever the alert is triggered. You have some flexibility here regarding who gets notified. You can specify certain individuals, make use of dynamic contacts like the Assign To field, or even alert entire groups. This adaptability is crucial for making sure your notifications reach the appropriate parties. After deciding who will be notified, take a moment to customize the message that will accompany your alert. This might include adding a personalized message or selecting specific fields from the sheet to be included in the notification. Doing so provides clearer context to recipients, aiding in swift responses and action. Finally, let's wrap things up by giving your automation a meaningful name. This simple step makes it easy to identify among your other rules later on. After naming it, be sure to save all your hard work. Congratulations, you've successfully set up alerts on Smartsheet. Now, watch as your projects and teams benefit from timely and relevant updates, skills honed by your smart use of automation.